Yeah, here we go again. Another politician looking for a scapegoat. But tell me this. They're banning Bitcoin ATMs, stopped every damn crime. Then wise fraud still happening all the time. Scammers hit grandma from a VOI blind. Fake bank calls, stealing every dime. So ban the phones, ban the banks, shut down email while you're at it, thanks. Ban wire transfers, debit cards too. Hell, criminals use cars, better ban those too. Ban it all if that's your plan. Punish good people cause you don't understand. Criminals don't care what laws you make. They break the rules, that's what they take. Ban it all, go shut it down. Regulated businesses all over town. Make it illegal, watch what you'll see. The bad guys move, but you punish me. You blame the ATM cause it's easy to blame, but fraud starts way before crypto's in the game. Spoof phone calls, phishing emails too, but somehow Bitcoin gets pinned by you. Should we ban the guns cause criminals shoot? Ban every tool that somebody misused. That ain't justice, that ain't right. You're killing innovation overnight. Making something illegal, don't stop bad men. History proves it again and again. You don't stop crime by killing choice. You silence freedom, you kill the voice. So ban it all. You ban it all. Or maybe fix the problem where the scammers call. Bitcoin ain't guilty, truth stands tall. Criminals break laws, they don't care at all.